This is going to be our campfire campground review on Russian River 1000 Trails Park, located in Cloverdale, California. If you guys like the new intro, let me know what you think in the comments below. You can see this camp sign from the highway lit up at night. Now you would come in right up here where this guy's coming in. It's your check-in spot. But I will go around the loop over here. Right there's their lodge. I can't tell you much about that because, heck, the lodge is closed because of COVID. I don't get why she's running along beside, but maybe she just wanted to go for a jog. But you come in down over here. And off to your left would be to go down to the river. There's no RVs down at the river area. There is a few campsites right over there. They're okay. And I would definitely recommend going straight and coming back around the loop, because I wouldn't want to make this corner we're going to do right here in my RV. Because you get to right here and I think our back end would scrape. Definitely steep. A lot of these are just off this little hills. Some of them have steep hills, but not very big camp spots at all. They're pretty crammed in there tight. So they got the big old RVs in there. Look at that hillside. That'd be your spot, right off that hill. Not very many pull-through sites. Most of them are pretty small, or like that. And again, your door would be right off that hill. There's one of the pull-throughs that are open. And this is another pull-through that's taken. But again, your door's right on the hillside. You don't have any kind of yard. Even right here, really at any of these spots, you just don't have a yard. Now we'll go down through here through the C section. Not many of these have the hill yard, but they have some tight little hills to get in and out, like that one right there. And even besides that, they are definitely crammed in here tight. A few different pull-through sites right there. These are the cabins. I'll tell you, that is one massive RV right here. This gold one is huge. I like it. Big old pace arrow. And I like the Jeep that goes with it. But again, look how close these sites are and how just filled they are. That right there, where that car's parked, is another site. He's parked in somebody else's campsite. See, this guy's got just that much room. Nothing. That guy's got one of the bigger yards at one of these places. And it's a pull-through. But right down here, You are just crammed in tight here, next to your neighbors. Yeah, we thought maybe these sites right here first, right here to your left, but those are crazy ridiculous too, because we realized your door comes right out on the hill. When you look at those sites, like this trailer right there, look, his door comes right out to the hill. Every single one of them. That is just crazy, if you ask me. Now we're coming back up to our section, the D section. I believe that's probably a permanent residence in there. That's a heck of a trailer. We'd have had a better time at this campsite too if we didn't have our neighbor. Our neighbor made all the difference in the world, I've got to say. I wasn't sure if I was going to say something about it, but I am. Because we had them join our YouTube channel here and just go on within 7 hours, less than 7 hours of joining the channel, and just talk trash. Them. Yeah, so I'll show you around a little bit more. This is the top D section area we're at. This is the restroom. They're not too bad, pretty clean. The showers were decent enough water pressure. Yeah, not bad. It's the only restroom they use, so it wasn't too horrible in here. They do require the same code as the gate to get in to use. Up here, outside the restroom, they have laundry. So it was $2 to wash and $1.50 to dry, which actually isn't horrible bad. But oh, they got that spot coned off now. That might have been an okay spot if you pulled forward into it. Here at Russian River, they have no sewer sites, so they do have a dump station you can use, and they do offer a pump out service for a fee of $15. A lot of the sites are steep and the roads are narrow, so it's hard to navigate a big rig through it, and you can't pull into a lot of the sites. The campground was well maintained and the staff was super friendly, and Cloverdale was close and had everything you needed. In the summer months, I bet the river's a ton of fun, and what a beautiful park. At the bottom towards C section is where you get your propane. If you need propane, they've been out since we've been here, so this B section here isn't too bad if you can get one of these few good spots. I know this is this is B, I think. Yeah. Oh no, this is A. If you can get that spot right there, you can tuck all the way down on the side on that one. That's a good spot. To say a lot of these, man, look at that steep hill. You can see where people scrape coming in and out of that. Lots of steep hills around to pull in and out of for big old rigs. Now it does say no RVs beyond this point, but that's okay because we're not in an RV right at the moment. But we're gonna go down here and I'll show you. Swim at your own risk, no lifeguard on duty.